This is a different kind of episode. No hype to debunk today. Instead, a build story. I'm nearly blind. I got my first computer in January, and in the months since, I've been quietly building the tools I need to work with AI agents, because the tools everyone else uses weren't built for someone like me. Today, I want to show you what I built, and why. Not because it's going to change the world, but because it changed my world. And if you've ever felt like the tools around you don't fit, you might relate. It started with a simple frustration. There's a tool called cmux, a terminal multiplexer, kind of a way to run and switch between multiple AI agent sessions in one window. It's great, but it was only for Mac, and I'm on Windows. So I thought, well, screw that. I'll make one for Windows. That became wmux, a Windows-native terminal multiplexer with vertical sidebar tabs, agent notifications, split panes, and a scriptable command line. I didn't wait for someone to build it. I just built it. But the real monster of a project is a fork of Wave Terminal. Wave is an open-source, AI-integrated terminal for Mac, Linux, and Windows. I forked it and went to work. I built a PowerShell 7 and MCP command bridge, so my agents could talk to the terminal from the outside. I added support for a bunch of NVIDIA NIM chat models, bring your own key, and I wrote a context window compaction algorithm to stop long agent sessions from crashing. This is real work on a production-grade codebase. Now, a quick note. You may be wondering why all of this is private. And the answer is simple. I'm nearly blind. I can't visually audit a huge codebase, and I bridged this to my desktop agent so there could be all sorts of sensitive data in there that I can't see. So it stays private until I'm sure it's safe. That's not being paranoid. That's being responsible. If you're building with AI agents, never publish code you can't personally verify. Let me talk about the one thing I'm proudest of, the session compaction. Here's the problem. When you run a long AI agent session, the conversation context keeps growing, and eventually it blows past the token limit and the API crashes. That's a real painful problem that anyone who works with agents for long sessions hits. So I designed an algorithm that compacts the context window, preserving the important state before it gets too big. It's the kind of thing that seems boring, but it's the difference between a tool that breaks and a tool that works all day. So what have I learned from all this? 3 things. 1, you don't need to wait for permission to build. I started from zero, nearly blind, with no formal training, and I built working tools. 2, building for yourself is enough. I don't care about stars or approval. I build because I love it, and because these tools make my life work. And 3, the barrier to entry is lower than people think. If I can do this, in 7 months, nearly blind on social assistance, so can you. And here's the part I want to leave you with. I'm not sharing this to brag. I'm sharing it because maybe someone out there feels like I did. Like the world of AI and coding isn't for them. Like the tools don't fit, or they're not smart enough, or they started too late. And I want you to know, that's not true. I'm living proof that if you're willing to fumble in the dark, build for yourself, and keep going, you can make something real. That's the build story. No hype, no debunking, just the honest truth that one person, nearly blind, built the tools they needed. If this resonated, subscribe, and maybe I'll share more of the build process. And if you're building your own thing, keep going. It matters more than you know. Stay sharp.